Hello guys, good morning once again. Here I am with my daily task. Cook rice, boil water. After that, cook viand for the kids. This is me. Just finished doing exercise a bit, stretching so that our blood will flow smoothly in our veins. Doing stretching, that's important. Stretching, yes. And then no need to go gym if you're only doing exercise at home. It's okay. Before I was going to gym, but if you stop going to gym, your body will suddenly increase the weight. If you do gym, must do it maintain always, even if three times a day. Before I was going to gym, but now no budget already. Going to gym, you have to pay. So, but before, when I was working in the hotel, there was a gym, and we are free to use the gym, the steam room, and the bathroom. If no guest, that's why I did it early in the morning. That was before, when I was working in Malaysia. I was working in the hotel as a physical therapist. Okay guys, bye bye. Have a blessed day. Good morning to all of us. God bless us all. Bye bye.